The last time I took my Arrma Typhon out for a drive, I stuffed up the steering servo. My servo's really struggling to turn to the right. Left is fine, but you can see that jerky, horrible movement when it's moving to the right. As is pretty typical of me, I've been procrastinating over fixing this for quite some time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tear down this Typhon, find out if I can replace this servo with one of my spare servos that I have here, and I'll share the whole process. Then I'll be able to take it out and smash it again. When it comes to ready-to-race cars, the Arrma Typhon is a really good bit of kit. You take it straight out of the box and it is fast and it is tough. Really great for that immediate need for gratification. The dimensions look okay. For me though, the satisfaction in the remote control car hobby comes more from the building and fixing. Certain amount of fun and enjoyment from the driving, but there's something a little bit more appealing to me when you take the time to build the car yourself and then get it out there and drive it. What I've learned over time is the journey of building is more important than the top speed or the specifications of the vehicle. Okay, that's it. My Arrma Typhon is ready to roll again. All I need now is take it and bash it. Until next time, see you later.